Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. You guys, I have teamed up with Duvolle again and I am here to bring you a new skincare product that they have, and I think you are going to absolutely love it because I absolutely love it. This week I am showing you guys the Duvolle Sonic Facial Brush. It is absolutely amazing. This is definitely a must-have in your skincare regimen, and it's also super convenient. So the packaging is pretty simple and cute. Of course, this is Duvolle Sonic Facial Brush, so let's open this baby up. So this is how your Sonic brush will arrive. As you can see, this is the brush itself. It's super convenient. You can take it with you when you're traveling. It's tiny but does the job. The cool thing about this brush is that it actually also comes with a USB cord, so you can charge it. You don't have to worry about getting batteries or any of that. So that's a major plus. The bristles are super soft. It feels so good on your face. You guys will see when I use my facial brush that I actually did not want to stop. I could have just kept going. It's like a very nice massage on your face. Mine was already charged up enough, so I didn't even have to charge it straight out of the box. It's super easy to use. The power button is right in the middle. As you can see, that is on its regular setting. If I want a little bit more, I can continue to push the plus, and if I want a little bit less, I can just push the minus. So it was very, very, very easy to use. Again, like I said, mine was already charged when I opened the box, but when it is time to charge, let me show you how easy it is. Again, it came with a USB cord, so obviously I would put this into my dock, and then I would take the charger part, and you can't even tell, you guys, but it's literally on the back. You'll see where it shows you where you're supposed to charge it. You might look and say, where does this go? It literally just goes right in. It's that easy, you guys. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this baby a 10 out of 10. I will leave all of the information in the description box below, including my special code where you can save 70% off of this facial brush, you guys. That means this brush will be all the way down to $28.50. That is an absolute steal. So if you'd like to see how I used my Duvolle Sonic Facial Brush, keep on watching.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind,